How to write a review on Best Buy. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write a review on Best Buy. To write a review on Best Buy, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device, or you may also use the Best Buy application on your mobile device. Now if you want to use the website, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in bestbuy.com. Once you have typed in this keyword, press the go button at the bottom right to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Best Buy. Here, once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here tap on Discover icon next to menu at the bottom. Once you tap on it, from here now you can find the product that you would like to review. Once you find the product you'd like to review, you need to tap on the product to find the detail page. And once it opens, here scroll all the way down to find the review section. Once you find the review section here, you'll also find this Write a Review button. Tap on this Write a Review button and now you will be taken to a new page. In this page, you can rate this product by tapping on the stars. And now in this box, write down your review. Make sure the review is minimum 50 characters. You will not be able to submit this review if the review is less than 50 characters. Now after writing a review, here you can add a title and scroll down. If you have any photos of the product, you may tap on this plus icon right here and upload your photos from a gallery to make it look more relevant. Also here at the bottom, you will be able to rate other factors of the product. You may tap on the stars to rate them, and if you want to recommend this product, you may tap on yes. If not, you may tap on no. After that, you need to create a display name here. Tap on the box and enter the name. After entering the display name, at the bottom you will find the terms and conditions. Here go through it and then tap on submit review. Once doing that, wait for a while and then you will see your review has been successfully submitted. So by following these steps, you should be able to write a review on Best Buy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.